Brian fucking dirt bike.
Are you recording?
Yeah. My dirt bike. My helmet.
All my niggas is A1s, A1s. I only fuck with A1s, A1s. You niggas know what the gang is, We young, black and dangerous, Still down with my day one niggas, hell yeah, I'm still down. Still down with the shit, still down with my A1 niggas, hell yeah, I'm still down. Still down, yeah, still down.
They can't believe I'm still here. Made $1 million, but I wouldn't replace it for nothing. A lot of niggas been killed here. I done seen niggas get their whole shit blown off in public. A lot of blood, sweat, and hope came from this block. When flooding, a lot of dope came from this block. But fuck it, I'm in my whip pushing buttons. I think about the ones that's dead and gone, the ones that's still thugging. And they still down. Got no love for them pussy ass motherfuckers, cause they still clowns. Smoking real pounds, just bought a real home. Me and my watch, both real stone. Pour some gin, man, it's all about the ends. New Ferrari or a Benz, get a joint and hold it in. And I've been with the same niggas since they were hitting licks, and yeah, they still with the shits.
All my niggas is A1s,